Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple Hollandaise sauce. This classic French sauce is surprisingly easy to prepare at home with just a few basic ingredients. We'll start by gathering everything we need to ensure a smooth and delicious process. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up this rich, creamy sauce, perfect for eggs Benedict or asparagus. Let's get cooking. Now, let's prepare the base for our Hollandaise. First, carefully separate 3 large egg yolks and place them into a heat-proof bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to the yolks. This acidity is crucial for both flavor and emulsification. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously until the mixture lightens in color and thickens slightly. This step is vital for achieving that perfect creamy consistency later on. Next, we'll emulsify the butter into our egg yolk mixture. Gently melt 120 grams of unsalted butter until it's warm, but not boiling hot. This temperature is key. While continuously whisking the egg yolks, slowly drizzle in the warm butter in a thin stream. Keep the bowl over a gentle heat, like a double boiler, to prevent the eggs from scrambling. Whisk until the sauce becomes beautifully thick and creamy. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to our delicious Hollandaise. Season the sauce with a pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors. For a subtle kick and a lovely color, add a small dash of cayenne pepper. Give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings as needed to achieve your perfect balance. Your homemade Hollandaise sauce is now ready. Serve it immediately over your favorite dishes and enjoy this culinary delight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.